In today's video, we're diving into the results page in Tactical Arbitrage 2.0. This is where all your scan results live, and where the magic of sorting, filtering, saving, and analyzing products happens. The horizontal bar up top allows you to sort, filter, or change the display of the results. Starting from the left, we have the Search drop-down menu. It allows you to select which completed search to view. The default is All Results, but you can narrow focus by selecting a specific search. Next to the Search drop-down, you'll find the Filters button. Click Filters to open all the filters that you can use to determine which products the results page displays. You can also save or load filter setups here. Next to the filters, you can find shortcuts to our most popular filters such as ROI or estimated sales. Use the Filters section to sort by metrics like ROI, profit, and sales rank. You can quickly set minimum or maximum ROI to focus on only products hitting your profit target. Switching over to the right side of the horizontal bar and starting from the left, we have the option to switch between list and grid view in the Customize view. You can also select which column that you want to be displayed in the list view and arrange the order of the columns. Next up, we have the magnifying glass. Use the magnifying glass to search by keyword, ASIN, or store name among the results. The three dots button right next to the magnifying glass, once clicked, will reveal several options. Updated adjusted prices allows you to update the discount, cashback, gift card, tax, prep, and ship data of all visible entries in the results page. Please note that this recalculates ROI and profit projections accordingly. Download allows you to download the data of all the visible entries in the form of a spreadsheet, either to your computer or a Google Drive of your choosing. Recheck All allows you to update the data of all visible entries in the results page. Delete all products in this tab and Delete all unfiltered products allows you to delete entries in the results page en masse. Lastly, in the horizontal bar, we have the Find Products button. Press this button to initiate new scans. Now that we've covered everything in the horizontal bar, let us get into the results themselves. Each row in the results page represents a match. The results page is divided into multiple columns. For example, the history column shows sales and price history graphs. The key information column highlights metrics like ROI, profit, and sales rank. You'll also see totals, seller info, size, competition, and even barcode data, each helping you make better sourcing decisions. Next up, we have the vertical bar. The vertical bar appears on the right side when you hover over any specific row. Starting from the top, we have the Split Link button. Looks like a wishbone. If pressed, this button will open the product page on the source and the selling app platform, either Amazon or Walmart. Right below that, we have the option to add any collection of your choosing. Saving products into collections will help you organize your search results. Next, we have the button to track the product. Use this if you'd like to be notified, for example, if the ROI of this product goes over a certain threshold. Then you have the shortcuts. The Amazon search button here will open Amazon by title search of the product. The Seller Central button will open Seller Central of the product. The eBay button opens eBay, and the camel icon will open up camel. Next, we have a button to submit a report if the row is a mismatch. Then, we have the button to delete the row. The More Options button, 3 dots, if clicked, will open up additional actions. Ban Product or Brand prevents this item or brand from showing in future searches. Hide Product temporarily removes the product from the view without banning it. Download will save the product data as a file to your computer. Customize Shortcuts allows you to change which shortcut buttons appear to suit your workflow. Lastly, you have the option to select rows by clicking the checkboxes on the left side here. Selecting any row will reveal a few options below. You'll have the option to save selected rows into a collection, track the products of the selected rows, and select all rows per page, delete, recheck, report, and download the selected rows. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the results page in Tactical Arbitrage 2.0. This is the heart of Tactical Arbitrage, where opportunities are reviewed and profits are calculated. You now know how to navigate the interface, apply filters, analyze each product, update data, and manage your findings efficiently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Happy sourcing, and see you next time.